Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Tonight's video going to be more about the clone tool, but making something like this, and I normally use a circle or or a ellipse or a polygon, but this time I'm not. I'm going to use an oval. I can make ovals several different ways. One, you can take a rectangle and you can round off the corners with your ratio locked. But really, and see, I have to go a little bit more. Really, the faster way to do it is just to get your shape tool and just bring in this handle to there until it snaps. Now I'm going to hit P and put it in the center of the page. I'm going to go ahead and bring in indexing lines. I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate, and I'm going to rotate it 22.5 degrees. I'm going to take my Smart Fill tool and I'm going to fill that shape in. I'm going to move it out of the way, and then I'm going to nudge these up. If you watched enough of my videos, I nudge instead of deleting. In case I want to do it again, it didn't quite work out. Now, before we do anything else, we need to go to Edit and Clone. Well, take it back. What we need to do now is, I took the clone away. We need to interactive fill tool it. And I'm going to put a little darkness in this corner. And now, don't worry about what it looks like right now. Now we're going to go to Edit and Clone it. Click on that X and move that X to that center. I'm a little bit off. You have to be perfect. And see there it says center, and it actually is. Now we're going to rotate it 22.5 degrees. Control D, Control D. So what you're getting is a circle from a different route. Now if we zoom in and look with our pick tool, if I pick this one right here, it says Clone Curve. This one right here says Control Curve. So once that's picked, get your interactive fill tool back, and then you can change the whole thing, make it look different quite a bit. We could do it in yellow and move this around and really play with it. And then if you needed a little bit more yellow on the outside, you could have something like that. I really like that blue the best that I did earlier. So what we can do is you can get back the interactive fill tool and click on that and delete it. Let's put that blue back. I think that blue really makes it stand out. Now, because and if we want to change that, because this is a control curve, I can go over here and right click my mouse and put an outline, and it put an outline on all of them. And then I could actually make the outline a little thicker, and even a little bit thicker now, and too thick. But that's pretty good way to do a clone and show what it can do. And let's take the indexing lines away, and let's go ahead and put I've been doing this more and more with a black box. Go to Object, Order, Back of Page, and it really makes it stand out. Anyway, I hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.